U.S. federal holiday function. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a function to return a list of US federal holidays. Let's open up our Access and go coding. Alright, let's open up our Access. Here we are going to go to our Access projects. We are going to create new folder in here. Let's call federal holiday, and let's go in there. Let's name this guy appropriately, federal holiday. Alright, this will be just a function, so there's no table. We're not going to create any table. So let's go to well, before we get there, I've got this holiday. These are federal holidays in US. Alright, before we continue, I want to go to my comment here, and let's see. Right here, Samantha Jane asked, how would I go about displaying public holidays on the calendar? Well, Samantha, there is no magic way to do this, but we can certainly create our functions to do that. All right, so alright, I'm going to close that down and let's get back to what we have. So we have this guys that determines the federal holidays, federal US holidays. Alright, so we're going to go by this model. Alright, we're going to go by this model. Now let's get back to our Access. So the first thing that comes to mind, alright, I am thinking we're going to create an object. You know I love object. Let's call this holiday. Yep. And we're going to give it an attribute. There are going to be only 3 attributes or properties. Okay, so we'll have how about holiday ID as int, and then we'll have string holiday name as string, and then we'll have a date, holiday date. Just the top of my head, I think that's all we need. All right. So let's create a property for this guy. Let's do public property let holiday ID value as int, and then holiday ID equals value. So we're just going to create these properties for all our attributes, and then we'll see how we are going to be able to return these guys. So holiday ID equals holiday ID, and then public property let holiday name as string, and then the holiday name equals value. All right. So yeah, this is so if you're new to this channel, welcome aboard. We are programming in object. Okay, this is called object programming. So holiday name s holiday name, and we will always program this way. If you been looking at my or watching my videos, you will see that I program this way throughout. All right, no macros. This one is holiday date. Yeah, no macros. Date. We don't like macros. We want our code to work regardless of what version access is. All right. So if you have older version, this will work. Property get holiday date as date holiday date equals the holiday date. And now let's create a set function, create new function. So this would be, we call it a new function. All right. So we'll call class underscore initialize. All right. And then we're going to do holiday ID equals 0, holiday name nothing, holiday date equals 12/31/1899. That will be our date. All right, and then just save that. Control S. All right, now we're gonna need. I'm thinking. I am thinking loudly. I'm thinking loudly. So let's create something that we can use, reuse, not just, yeah, reuse. How about holiday constant? Holiday name. There you go. Let's call holiday name. Click on this, right click on this, insert module. We'll call this holiday, day name. All right. So holiday name will be constant. So we're gonna do constant new year as int equals 1. And then what's the next one? So we're gonna go by this right here, Martin Luther King. We're gonna do Martin Luther King President and Memorial constant Martin Luther King as int. This will be 2. Is it Memorial Day? Memorial Day as int 3. Oh, President's Day. All right. So let's do this. President's Day as int equals 3, and this will be 4, and constant, this will be Independence Day as int, this will be 5. And then we have Labor Day, Columbus Day, and Veterans Day. Labor Day Columbus Day, Veterans Day, I think Halloween comes after that. Yeah, Columbus, Labor Day, Columbus Day. Yep, I think that he missing Halloween, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Yep. Then we have Halloween. I think that's a federal too. Thanksgiving. Oops. As int, and then Christmas Day as int. 11 of them. All right. So let's identify each one of these guys. All right. So this guy would be um, January 1st. Oops. And Martin Luther King would be, I think it's the third Monday of January. Let's see. Yep. And then President's Day is also a third Monday. This is also a third Monday of February. And Memorial Day is the last Monday of March, of May. Last Monday of May. Of course, we know this one. This is July 4th. I think Labor Day is also in, let me see, Labor Day, first Monday in September. Alright, so this first Monday of September. Columbus Day, let's see, Columbus Day. Columbus Day is second Monday in October. Second Monday of October. And Halloween or Veterans Day. How about Veterans Day? November 11th. Well, that's the easy one. All right. November 11th. This one is also an easy one. Wait a minute. Let's swap this guy. Halloween is October 31st. So we're gonna swap this guy. Make sure they're in order. They don't have to be. We just identify them that way. It makes it easier. All right. So this will be 10, 8, my bad. That will be 9. And Thanksgiving is, I think, fourth Monday of Thursday. Let me see, fourth Thursday in November. Yep. So we'll call it fourth Thursday of November. And of course the last one, easy one, December 25th. Let's let's be all right. So that will be all constant, and we'll be based on we'll do all stuff based on those guys. All right. So Control S, save. Now we are going to need the a class that is a module, a class file that does returns the holidays. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and create a new file. All right. We'll call this holiday db access. All right. Just so you understand why I separate this guy, this is a constant file. This is where the repository or the middleware, how we interact with the system, all right? And this is just the class object that we can use. So when you separate out these guys, it makes it easier to understand and debug. And that way we know that they are individuals, okay? So just keep in mind why I do this the way I do. Okay. All right. Let's get back to this new file that we are creating. Let's do. Let's call this function. No, let's call this sub. Get holiday. That's pretty simple. And all we need is the a year as int. And then we are going to need the object holiday that we just created as holiday. See there? Nice and simple. Nice and simple. All right. Coffee, please. It's 1:30, 1:25 p.m. All right, let's see. So the first thing that we know, we need to redeem all holiday. Yep. Let's redeem holiday. Like so. Let's redeem holiday, and we are going to set all holiday 1 equals new holiday. So this will be our first one. We already know our first one. We'll go ahead and set up the first one. All right. As a matter of fact, let's do this. I'm thinking out loud. Let's call this a private sub. This one set holiday. Thinking out loud again. We're going to need a val similar to what we have as integer. We are going to need holiday holiday name as int, and we are going to need object holiday as holiday. So that would be all. Yeah, this is good. So here I'm going to copy this guy. We're going to do redeem preserve. Oh, ER there, my bad. So we're going to do redeem preserve. um, Preserved means do not alter the previous items that is entered. All right. So if you don't do preserve, it's going to have only one item. Preserve means if you have index two records, you don't erase the first one, you continue. All right. So preserve just means that keep the previous records. And if you don't do this, it's just going to be in that you're just going to get one items. All right, it's just going to overwrite the previous one. So that's all it means. Now we're going to do select case I holiday name, and I'm thinking out loud as I'm typing. So whatever you see is what you are. I'm gonna put this guy right in here. All right. So what I'm thinking is that this holiday name comes from here. You see there. So this already got index already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus we know what they are. All right. So that makes it easier to identify. All right. So that's what I'm thinking. And now when we say, hey, set holiday, then we just send in this guy, this name, and then we validate. So now we're going to say case holiday name. Oops. You know what? Let's do this. Copy. Is we need to expose this to public so that we can see it. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to see them. All right. So now we're going to say case holiday name. See there. So the first one would be New Year. So if it's New Year, it's that. All right. We're going to try to go in order. That makes it easier. What's the next one? Martin Luther King. President's Day. What's the fourth one? Memorial Day. What's the fourth one? Yep, fourth one. The Independence and Labor Day. So if we do this in sequence, like so, it makes it easier. All right. So we know they are in order, and then what's after Columbus, Halloween, and then Veterans Day. Veteran, and then Thanksgiving, and then last Christmas. All right. So that's what we know. So this will be the case, and all we have to do here is say call set holiday. All right, and this will be the year that we're passing in, and we're gonna need the holiday name. The first one would be New Year. All right, we just go New Year, and then the object like so. Oh, what's going on? Um, oh, I put case in here. All right, now we just copy this guy 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then just change this guy. This is what I'm thinking though. So I'm pretty sure other people are done differently. I don't think anybody has done a great deal with these guys as far as in access concerned. All right, so we're gonna tackle these together, and I guarantee you we're gonna get what we want. Wow, that's a guarantee from me. Holy moly, macaroni with cheese. Halloween, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving. All right, so that's what we have. So when we separate out things like this, it makes it easier to work with. Now let's do the first one. So the first one, if it's New Year, so we can do this. Oh, holiday. I don't get in my IntelliSense. What's going on? What the heck? What's my IntelliSense? So hold on, just a sec. Control S, save. I want to see something here. So we got intelligence there. Oh, so yeah, forgot intelligence. Yeah, you didn't get intelligence because of these guys right here. You see, you have to make it a string. I mean, an array or a list. We call that an array. Okay, so let's try that again. Now we should be able to. Yeah, that's better. Shoo-wee. Let's make it easier. Yes, I'll make it easier. We'll just copy this guy right here. Let's make it easier. All right, and then when you say the ID is holiday name, New Year. That's it. Or the ID will be the same as the holiday name, and then holiday name, we just type it in, New Year, and then date is, because we already know this ahead of time, all right, so we can do this, year, oops, just like that. All right, and I'm just going to copy that because where we know, so July 4th, we know July 4th, which is this guy right here. We just type in 7/4 Independence Day. All right. What else do we know? Oh, we know Christmas. All right, we know Christmas. That's 25th. And then we just type in Christmas Day. All right. We also know Halloween. We'll go ahead and type in Halloween. This would be just like that. I think we know Veterans Day too. I think we know Veterans Day. Veterans Day is on 11/11. Those are the days that we know. See what else? So we know Veterans, we know Halloween, we know July, we know December, we know, okay, we know a whole bunch of stuff. All right, now we need to work on the ones that we don't know, the one we have to calculate. We have to logic our way to get these guys. All right, Martin Luther King. Let's work on the Martin Luther King. Let's Control S. So Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King. Um, well, if we're gonna iterate through the date, not the day, the date, we're gonna need I day as int. We're gonna need I last day as int. We also are going to need select day, select date as date. We're also going to need sday to determine the day as string. That's what I'm thinking. All right, that's what I'm thinking. If we need more, we're gonna come back more, and if we don't need, it doesn't hurt, and then we just take it out. All right. So let's work on the President's Day here, which is the second day. Martin Luther King, right here, not President. Martin Luther King. So we can do this. So first we need to know the last day of this last day of, let's see, Martin Luther King. Oh, okay, this is easy. Martin Luther King is in January. Yeah, so we know January. Okay, so we can do this. Just in case we don't know, it's actually 31st. All right, but we're gonna do this. I last day equal date serial. All right, that requires an I year, and we know it's the month of January, but we're gonna do February and 0 day. Remember how we do this? 0 day means there's no such a thing as 0 day, so it's going to fall back to January, last day of January. All right, so that's what it means, right? That this is actually the month number of month number. All right, but because there is no such a thing as day 0, it's going to fall back to the previous month. All right, so that would be last that would be January 31st of that year. All right, now we need to convert it to the number, so we're gonna do this. To convert to number, that's converted to number. So now we have the last day. All right, so here we can just say for I day equals 1 to I last day. You see there? Next. All right, that's pretty simple, I think. All right, now we are going to format this guy as a select date, the date that we're working with. Select date. See that this guy right here, select date equals select date equals Yeah, select date equals, because it's a January, we know, all right, and then we want this I day and I year. That's the select date, all right, that's the select date. And now we're going to say, what day is this? So S day equals format select date. Oops. So this will be DDD. All right. That will give us the 3 characters of the day. All right. Oh, we're going to need one thing. Yeah, we're going to need dim. Oops. I number of day as int. We want to, yeah. So we can say if S day equals Monday, then I number of day equals I number of day plus 1. So we're gonna increment this guy, all right, and then we're gonna determine if I number of day equals 3, then look at this. Then we're gonna do this. Copy. Look at that. That makes it easier, doesn't it? Then we're gonna say, okay. Then this guy will be yeah. Then this will be Martin Luther King. Alright. And this will be select date. And then we'll say exit 4. And then we're done. We don't want to continue. Alright. Do you get how that works? Alright, so that's how that works. So we got the second one out the way. Now let's see, the third one is a President's Day in it. Also third in February. Oh, that's good. We just could make a photocopy of that first one for different months. So I just copy this guy, copy, paste, change this month to 3, that to 2. And that's all you have to do. Alright, so let's move on. That's pretty simple. Memorial Day, last Monday of May. Okay, so this is similar. This is Memorial Day, last Monday of May. So how do you get last Monday of May? Well, that's simple. That is simple. So we're going to do this. We're going to reverse this guy. We are going to say I day equals to 1 step backwards. That's pretty simple. You see there? And that's it. And now, oh, that's May. So we need to change that to 6 and that to 5. Alright, so let me see. Is it May, right? Yep, May. Okay, good. May is 5. That's the last day of May. So, and we're going to do that, and we find Monday, and we're going to say, now this guy though, oh my bad, now this guy, let me see, hold on, last Monday, okay, good, Good. So now last Monday, if it equals to Monday, then you don't need that. All right, you just do that because we were just looking for that first one. There's no need to count. Third last. Yeah, that's fine. All right, good. So this would be Memorial. So we just change his name to Memorial Day. That's it. All right, so we're moving on. This is pretty easy, I guess. Labor Day. All right. Now let's put Labor Day in there. What's the Labor Day? First Monday of September. Oh, that's the easy one too. That's the same thing. September is that is September. And here again, if it's the first Monday, if we find Monday, we just said it because it's the first Monday. All right, we don't need to count. We need to count with these guys. Make sure that we got the third one. But this one we don't have to count. First Monday. Now Columbus is a second Monday, October. All right, let's go Columbus. Second Monday. So this is pretty simple. Columbus, October, second Monday of October. So good. So we'll change that to October. All right. Now we say if it's equal to 2. That's it. Pretty straightforward. All right. What's next? Thanksgiving. Yeah, we got Halloween. We got Veterans Day. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is the fourth of Thursday. So here we say fourth Thursday, all right? And if it equals to 4, then you are it. Yeah, fourth Thursday, November. Oh, we gotta change this to 12 and November. I think that's it. I think you have done it. We have done it. We have got it. We have gotten it. Well. Well, let's put this to a test. Let's see if it really comes out the way we want it to come out. So I'm gonna add this button right here. Dang dang. I'm not going to bother doing that. Going to accept this guy. I'm gonna say year, and then matter of fact, there. Doesn't have to be fancy. We're gonna name that guy while we're at it. Call txt year, and then we're gonna see if they're listed correctly. That's good right there. And then we'll call this result txt result, and then save that as a screen test. Oh, say was save. There you go. Test screen. Good. All right. So let's go back to there. We're not done. I accidentally clicking that guy. So let's go to the code. Let's do this. Dim O holiday as new holiday. All right. And now we can say if not is no year, then yeah, then call holiday db access get holiday, and then we'll pass in the year. See how we're doing it now? We're passing the object holiday object, and now we say if ubound holiday is greater than 0, then now we say we're gonna need a index as int. So that's all we do. It's pretty straightforward though. Just if we can logic our way to getting things done. All right. So then we say ubound. Yeah, that's next. Result equals me result. Let's do holiday index. Let's do date. Holiday holiday there in name. That's that. I think that's that. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some barking over here. Might not understand what we're trying to do, but we'll see, won't we? Yeah, I thought that was it. Got you. So we can say if, just do this, and then we just do it in here like so. All right, so it requires us to put something in there. Look at that. Not too shabby. That's pretty. Wow, without hiccups. Holy moly, without hiccups. Wow. Let's do that again. Hold on. When we come in here, we want to clear that guy. Well, this is pretty dandy here. Look at that. Holy moly. That is pretty darn good, I think. Are these right though? Are these right? Let's go to I think there's a calendar date. Yeah, calendar date, I think. Yeah, holiday right here. Let's look at the January holiday. I'm gonna close that guy out. Let's do January. Let's do holiday. Okay. Martin Luther King. January 5th, 18th. Let's see that. Actually, you know what? We can do this. We can make this guy a little smaller. Look at that. Oh, come on. Let's move to the right a little bit. There. How about February 15th, President's Day? Look at that. Looking good. Okay, what about next one? What else? In March, we don't need Saint. April, no Easter. We are interested in yeah. We are interested in federal holiday. You see, federal holiday. So let's take a look at this guy. Memorial Day. Look at that. May 31st. 4th of July. June. Oh yeah, right here. 4th of July, right there. What's next one? Oh, we got 2 Martin Luther King. What the heck? We didn't name some of these. Let's go back over there. We need to my bad. Sorry about that. So we gotta name this guy correctly. So this is Independence. Oh, there you go. President's Day. No wonder. President's Day. This is Memorial Day. Good. Independence Day. Good. This one's Labor Day. Labor Day. Right. This one is Columbus Day. Yeah. Let me change this one. Well, no hiccups. That is awesome. No hiccups. And this one would be Thanksgiving. Yeah, this name is not. I don't call this hiccup. Hiccups mean Thanksgiving. Hiccups mean there's something's wrong with the code. All right, we don't have anything wrong with our code. We just didn't name them correctly. That's all. All right. When you get ding, I mean, yeah. See that? Change it. Okay, let's go back to. Yeah, let's see this guy. So we got Independence, July 4th, and then Martin Luther King. Let's move down a little bit more. August, nothing in August. September. Yep. Oh, okay, 3 holidays right here. So we got Labor Day, February 6th. Look at that. October 11th. Columbus Day, October 11th. Perfect. Halloween, October 31st. And then we got 3 more coming right there. Veterans, 11/11, November 25th. December 25th. You know what? Let's add day to here just to make sure they jive with this. All right, that's easy. We can do that. We're programmer. We can do that, right? So we got a day here. We got day there. We are going to say oh, holiday in ding ding, just like that. Oh, my bad. We gotta close the parentheses like so. All right, we gotta tell it what it is. Sorry about that. Until I start playing around with it, and then I start noticing it. All right. So, oops. There. Now we can pull this guy up. See if there are. Let's see. See Saturday right there. No, Thursday right there. Thursday right there. Sunday on October 31st. Yep. We're good. Okay, let's take a look at 2020. All right. Well, let's take a look at 2020. I'm just going to come up here, right here to the top. Change that to 2020. There you go. We are interested in Martin Luther King. January January 20th. Good. On Monday. President's Day, February 17th. Monday. Perfect. So far, so good. We gotta validate this guy a couple of times, a couple of years to make sure that your holidays work. So this is what programmers do. They validate day in, day out, make sure they're right. So this is Memorial, May 25th, Monday. May 25th, Monday. See there? That's perfect. That's perfect. The Independence Day and Labor Day. Let's take a look. Independence Day is on Saturday. Saturday, perfect. Labor Day on Monday. Labor Day, September 7th. Perfect. Monday. Good. So far, so good. So once we validate this one, then we know for sure it's good. All right. So here is Columbus, October 10th. No, October 12th on Monday. Look at that, Monday. Halloween, October 31st. Perfect, on Saturday. And then November 11th, which is Wednesday. Look at that, Wednesday. Perfect. And let's see, November 26th, Thursday. Nice. And last should be on Friday. Should be on Friday because it says Friday here. That's it. That's all. There you have it. And now you can just go back and forth. If you want to know the 2022, that would be federal holidays. I was hoping you told me that New Year is January 1st, not December 31st. Well, did I say that it's on January 1st? Let's go fix that. Let's go fix that. That's all you have to do. Just change that to 1-1 and we are done. We are done. Refresh that and there you go. That's all you have to do. There you go, Samantha. You have got a federal holidays. Alright? Federal holidays. That's that. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.